Hi, we're going to learn how to customize Microsoft Word's autocorrect function. And in particular, I'm going to show you how to set autocorrect up to automatically change the word manger to manager whenever you type manger. Spell check doesn't catch manger as a misspelling for manager because they're both real words. But if you're like me, this is probably the most common typing error I make. And so it's really nice just to have AutoCorrect fix it for me. I'm doing this demo in Word 2016 for Mac. So to get started, I go to the upper left-hand corner of my screen and I click on Word. Then I click on Preferences. And what I'm trying to do is get to the dialog box for AutoCorrect. Now, if you're using a different version of Word, the pathway I just showed you might or might not work. If it doesn't work, go up to the top horizontal bar, click Help, type in AutoCorrect, and it will tell you how to get to your dialog box for AutoCorrect. So let's click on AutoCorrect. That opens the dialog box, and one of the things you can do in the dialog box is add custom replacements. So let's type in the word manger and say that we want to replace it with manager. Manger, replace with manager. Click add and close the dialog box. Let's test it. Let's see how it works. I'm going to type in manger. I hit the space bar and voila, it changes to manager. Isn't that nice? So you can do this for yourself and you will never find that you have typed the word manger on your resume when you meant to type the word manager.